Abby, is your diaper dirty?
Dirty.
Dirty. Can you say apple?
Apple.
How about hot?
Hot.
Can you say knee?
Me.
Close. You say happy?
La la la.
No, that's the baby on the bus who's sad. Can you say happy?
La la la.
Happy.
La la la.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Yay.
Can you say happy?
Yay.
Happy. Happy.
Yay.
Well, I'm glad that you're being happy.
La la la. La la la. La la la.
The baby on the bus goes
La la la.
all through the town. The
La.
duck on the bus goes
Cock cock. Cock cock cock.
quack, quack, quack.
Cock cock cock.
Oh, did Abby go get the wheels on the bus?
La la la.
Are you happy? Can you say happy? Okay, how about baby? Are you done performing?